Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cold brew using instant coffee. This method is incredibly simple and quick, perfect for when you need a refreshing drink without the long wait. Unlike traditional cold brew, there's no steeping overnight. You'll be enjoying a smooth, delicious cold brew in just minutes, making your morning routine or afternoon pick-me-up much easier. Let's get started with the essentials. To begin, you'll need your preferred instant coffee and cold water. A good starting point is to mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of instant coffee with 8 ounces of cold, filtered water. This ratio provides a balanced flavor, but feel free to adjust it based on how strong you like your coffee. Remember, using quality instant coffee will significantly enhance the final taste of your cold brew. Once you have your ingredients, simply combine the instant coffee and cold water in a glass or mug. Stir thoroughly until all the coffee granules are completely dissolved. This usually takes less than a minute. Then, fill a separate glass with ice and pour your freshly made cold brew over it. It's ready to enjoy instantly. For any leftovers, just cover and refrigerate. The beauty of instant cold brew is its versatility. Don't hesitate to experiment with various instant coffee brands to discover new flavor profiles. You can also elevate your drink by adding a dash of vanilla syrup, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or your favorite creamer. For those who love staying refreshed, check the description for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy customizing your perfect cold brew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.